Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're diving into what might just be the best Thanksgiving puzzles game board for family fall holiday fun. It's called Don't Fall For It, a hilarious tower trivia game that's sure to become the highlight of your game nights. Imagine this. It's Thanksgiving evening, the table is cleared, the pies are eaten, and everyone's ready to laugh. You bring out a game that's perfect for all ages, full of bluffing, balance, and brain-teasing trivia. Don't Fall For It isn't just another board game, it's a full-on experience. Here's how it works. Each round, players are given a trivia question with multiple answers. But there's a twist, only one is correct. A stack of blocks that's standing between you and total trivia domination. Every wrong answer forces you to pull a block, and the tension builds with every turn. Knock over the tower, and well, let's just say your family won't let you forget it anytime soon. What makes this game shine is the mix of mental challenge and physical suspense. You need trivia smarts to find the correct answers, and a steady hand when the tower's wobbling. Whether you're a master of facts or just love watching someone else sweat it out over the tower, there's something here for everyone. The game is recommended for ages 10 and up, and it's great for 2 or more players. It works beautifully in small family settings or bigger group gatherings, making it ideal for fall holidays like Thanksgiving. The rules are super easy to learn, so no one's stuck reading a rulebook for half an hour. Within minutes, everyone's in the action. Let's talk style for a second. The version we're looking at is the sleek gray, original version. Same hilarious content, modern look. It comes in a compact box that's easy to pack for a weekend getaway or family reunion. Inside you get trivia cards, fake answer prompts, and of course, the all-important stackable tower blocks. What's especially cool is that the trivia isn't just about who knows the most facts. It's about spotting lies, reading your opponents, and using a bit of strategy. So even if you're not a trivia genius, you've still got a shot at winning, or at least surviving longer than your cousins. So to sum it up, Don't Fall For It is a high-energy, laughter-filled game that brings together the best of trivia, party games, and physical skill. It's the perfect pick for families who want more than just sitting around the TV. Whether you're challenging your siblings, tricking your parents, or trying not to knock over the tower yourself, this game is pure fun. That's it for this edition of Product Critique. If you're looking for a game that turns your Thanksgiving evening into a legendary game night, Don't Fall For It delivers every time. Be sure to check out the link in the description if you want to grab a set. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments your favorite family game night memory. Thanks for watching, and remember, don't fall for it.